Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the huge robot vacuum cleaner. If you're tired of constantly having to clean up pet hair and debris from your hardwood floors and carpets, then this is the perfect solution for you. This incredible robot vacuum cleaner has two suction levels with a maximum of 2,900 pascals, ensuring that it can easily pick up pet hair and dirt. It's also super thin, with a height of just 2.95, allowing it to access those hard-to-reach areas under chairs and tables. One of the best features of this vacuum is its tangle-free pet hair care technology, which means no more worrying about tangled hair or damage to your floors. It's specifically designed to pick up hairs, dirt, and debris on hard floors without clogging up with dog or cat hair. The huge robot vacuum cleaner offers 4 different cleaning modes, including auto, random, edge, and spot cleaning. Plus, with its built-in anti-collision infrared sensors, it can detect probable stuck areas and adjust its cleaning path automatically. Let's talk about the battery life. This robot vacuum can run for over 3 hours on low and up to 120 minutes on high, providing about 1000 sq/ft coverage cleaning with just one full charge. It will also automatically return to its charging base to recharge when the battery is low. The best part: it's incredibly easy to operate and maintain. No need for Wi-Fi or an app. Simply press the start button whenever you want it to clean, and it will get to work. Plus, it comes with a multi-purpose cleaning tool, making it easy to keep your vacuum clean and in top condition. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to pet hair and dirt on your floors, make sure to check out the huge robot vacuum cleaner. You can find the link in the description below and make your purchase today. Don't miss out on this incredible cleaning tool. Your floors will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome reviews and recommendations. See you next time.